Hi. This Monday, March 29th, is the actual start for State of Minnesota versus Derek Chauvin, the former Minneapolis police officer accused of murdering George Floyd last year. For a little over 2.5 weeks, we've had jury selection, and a jury has been picked. But on Monday starts the actual trial, beginning with opening statements. Opening statements are extremely important for both sides. It gives both sides the first chance to try to win their case. Now, on the prosecution team, they have 14 attorneys, so we don't know who's going to be doing the opening statement, but we would assume that it would be one of the members who has great experience with criminal trials. Criminal trials are vastly different than civil trials. In fact, in a criminal trial, the prosecutor is a minister of justice and has different obligations than a civil attorney. Now, on the prosecution side, they've got to come out right out of the chute saying to that jury, here is the evidence we will present showing that Mr. Chauvin caused Mr. Floyd's death. From the defense side, there's only one defense attorney, Mr. Nelson, and he's got to come right out there for the first time convincing that jury that the state will not prove its case, that there is a reasonable doubt throughout this whole matter, and that the cause of death for Mr. Floyd was something other than Mr. Chauvin, such as drug use or poor health. These opening statements shouldn't last too long, probably about an hour, hour and a half each. And right after that, the jury will start hearing actual evidence with the first witnesses. Now remember, in a criminal trial, it's the prosecution that has the burden of proof. They got to prove all the charges beyond a reasonable doubt. So they go first. Right after opening statements, first the prosecution, then the defense, the prosecution will start calling witnesses. So get ready, this trial will start in just a few days.